Hello guys, how to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to resolve the issue, first method is go to Windows search, type view network connections, type in search field and click on view network connection control panel item. Click on it to open. Network connection windows will appear. Here right click on Ethernet connection where you feel trouble and click on its properties. Ethernet properties, under select QoS packet scheduler option and select it and click on configure button. A pop-up window will appear. Here you should choose yes. A new window box will appear. Here go to the advanced tab and under property section scroll down and choose the option speed and duplex. Thereafter go to right side, under value section click on a small arrow and choose 100 Mbps and click on OK button. If the problem is still, then choose the value 10 Mbps and click on OK button. Second method is go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and in command prompt Windows type the following command: ip configuration /+DNS and press enter to execute the command, and your problem is definitely resolved. That's all.